Who's ready for round 2? Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, we're at a different lake this time than last time. I'm gonna try attempt 2 at some kayak fishing. I hit the old Wally World and got a crap ton of assorted different hooks and jigs and all that stuff. I just went with the cheapest stuff I could find pretty much. Even some of these spinners, I think this is actually called a jig, maybe, I don't know. Couple of these bad boys as well. And last but not least, I got some freaking worms. So I'm going to attempt some plastic first and see if I can catch anything. Because last time I didn't catch a single thing at the other pond before I got kicked out. So, and I still have this thing rigged up from the last outing. So I'm going to throw that out over here. This looks like a promising spot, so we can try it. I guess I need to practice some technique too, like cast out, pull, twist, pull, something like that. The wind keeps blowing me towards shore back there. One thing I didn't bring that I wanted to try to bring is an anchor. Something just to hold me still. I'm gonna come up here a little ways. I even got a little frog thing. Try to pop across these pads. I don't know. Suck at this, but you're never gonna learn if you don't try. So I figure, why not get out and give it a shot. I know I haven't been doing much camping or anything like that. It's been real hectic in our lives right now. My old lady's father is in the hospital. He passed away for 25 freaking minutes, and then somehow they brought him back, and it's been pretty crazy. We're still waiting to see the outcome on that. Just taking it play by play, but hopefully soon I'll get back out in the sticks. I'm just trying to do something in the meantime, just in case I get a phone call, I can hurry up and just, throw this on a cart and get to where I need to be. So that's the story there. Anyway, yeah, fish on, man. Fishy. This looks like a good little spot right here. It's hard to stay straight. So what I think I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to throw this little guy on there. Let's see what happens. If I can even open the box. I guess you could just go like so. So yeah, go like so. We'll see, he's a little guy, you know. Like some movement, wiggly jiggly. Throw him on, cast him out. Alright, I got him all jigged and rigged up and ready for a sig. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to try to keep the camera focused on me unless I do get a bite and flip it around, because when I try to focus on an area with the camera, I just get drifted out. And is that the way to do it? Is that the proper technique? I want to see it swimming. See what it looks like. Doesn't swim very fancy. Oh, I'm seeing movement. I'm seeing movement over here. I don't know if I mentioned I have. Yeah, I did. I think I did about the little froggy thing. I see bubbles over here, but I know it's not very deep. Get caught up on some pads, perfect little sitting spot. Hey man. Oh boy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think that's what I have to do. Since I don't have an anchor or something, these lily pads are holding me pretty good. And I got pads this whole way, so hoping maybe I'll have some luck. I want to try the plastics first, like I said, and then go for worm. Just to try, because I've never caught anything on plastics or anything. I've never really done that, been taught, showed, or anything, so self-taught. Figure it out. Oh, fish just jumped right over there, and I think that was an Asian freaking carp, or maybe it was a bass. I don't know. We're in the right spot. He looked like a good little 3-4 pounder. I'm just gonna keep chucking it. Tug, tug, tug. Let it sit. Reel a little bit. Tug, tug, tug. Reel a little bit. Let it sit a little bit. Tug, tug, tug. I don't know. I hear a lot of movement in here. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna try this little thing. Check it out. $1. Cheapo. Keep seeing the fish jump over here. I want to stay over here. I don't want to paddle too much either and scare him off. I don't think it was an Asian carp. I think it was a bass. So I'm gonna try that. Do a mahiki. See where it takes us. If I get anything on, then I'll inform you. Alright, I'm just switching through stuff rather quickly just because the problem with this I'm having is because I have a swivel quick attachment deal on there. I can't keep this really sitting here. It keeps getting tangled up here and not swimming right, so I switched to another different style. I'm just winging it, guys, you know. See how it goes. A few casts, man. You know. Alright, I'm gonna go full worm. I'm gonna try. I need a morale booster, and I'm hoping maybe if I catch something on some worm, it'll give me a little confidence booster. I don't have a huge hook or anything like that. I'm just gonna do hook and bobber, because my bobber is pretty much gonna be my weight. Maybe if I can get this thing to function properly. Alright, barber's on. Get the worm rolling. Big old Canadian night crawlers. Boom. Got a fat guy on there. I've been seeing him jump, and I think it's bass. So hopefully, maybe, just maybe, catch us a fish there, baby, before I get blown out to sea here. Bigger the worm, the bigger the problem. Alright, so let's paddle back in there and then see what happens. Alright, paddled my way over here. Got myself wedged in some lilies. I'm gonna try to cast right out here with the bobber and worm and see what happens. Sit and wait for a bit. Once again, I'm sucking. I'm seeing fish jump. It's been a bit, but I've seen them jumping here, there, and a little bit of everywhere. And of course, I snagged on this dang lily. There we go. Got it off. But maybe this just isn't my forte. I don't know. Rebait, cast out. I might paddle down shore. Find a different, maybe a little different spot. Maybe something biting down there, huh? Alright, so far I've tried this little frog. Swims well, goes through the weeds really well. Tried this this thingy-majig, a little blue jig. I've tried this this little guy. He's supposed to be a snagless, but he's pretty beat to crap. And then tried that spinner jig, whatever the heck there's ones that have different, these are just cheap, they're $1. And so there's ones that are snagless as well, that better, more money. Yeah, I tried that. Now I'm back to worm and bobber to see what happens out here. I might, there's a dock by where I came in. I might go back by that. I'm just not having any luck around these lilies. What a shish kebabby doobie of a time. Yeah. So, I'm gonna give it about another 5 to 10er over this way. And set sail into the horizon. Maybe. I just suck at this. Okay. I almost got it off. Little booger. This little guy's toying with me now. I don't think they could even fit the hook in their mouth. Bummy. You know what? I need a morale booster. I'm gonna put this tiny hook on and see if, I mean, it's not much smaller than that one, but we'll see. I don't know, I need to catch something. Need a booster. Like a pick-me-up game off of a movie The Longest Yard with Adam Sandler. Good movie. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I got him. I did. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. All right. Oh gosh. Got me first fish all year. It's a striped bass. It's a rock bass. I guess this is the hard part. Trying to fish in the kayak. Like so. What did I do to my reel? I guess you just have to leave enough slack. I mean, he's only like as big as my hand, but that's pretty cool. I'm stoked. We broke the ice. We broke the ice, guys. Woohoo! Ugh. Hey, don't laugh. It's not funny. Cool. Cool beans. Better than nothing. I'm excited. Woo! We're on board. One tiny fish. Better than last time. So I guess that's improvement. Even though it's on worm and not plastic like I wanted. But we're getting there. It's better than nothing. I'm gonna keep trying right here. Same spot. See what happens. Wish me luck. You know I'm casting only like 5-6 foot offshore. I mean, there's probably only littles over here, but I got a nice log right here. I can set my oar across and lean on like this, and it's holding me in place instead of drifting me backwards. So guess we're gonna run with it for a little bit. Alrighty. Or did I get him? Did I get the little booger? I think I did. I did. Whoa! Another one! Another one! Woohoo! We're up 2. Got my worm. Yeah! Oh man, it's getting extreme out here. Ow! Don't stick me. Well, I guess I'll be doing the same thing. 'Cause that's your only defense. Two! Yeah! Hey, it's better than nothing now. It makes it more exciting. I'm gonna cast out a little farther and troll back. That one was a little bit bigger, it looked like. No state record or nothing, but it's this kayak record. Keep on. Got the boat starting to come alive out there. They're gonna start wing dinging, chicken winging me. Look at that. I don't know if you see this. Yeah. right there. Those are in a big old pack. Well, from the distance. We moved over here. I was over there by that patch of trees. So I'm gonna see if I can make anything happen in the shade over here. I don't know. We shall see. El Taco Burrito Fajita Machita. Yeah. Alright, they're actually closer now. I thought they were seagulls, but they're actually pelicans. Nice form, everyone. Nice form. I got one, but I'm tangled up in the friggin'. You gonna get himself out? Yep. Get another one. This is the biggest one so far. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! That one was fishing right here in the little open part too. Not to think that matters too much. Oh, goody! He's on my shirt. Ouch! Cool, 3 of them. Yeah, sweetness. Yeah. They're getting bigger. That's a plus. Yeah. Rebait cast out. I'm gonna just keep staying over here and, you know, doing my thing. Got another one. Oh. Keep getting these little, I believe they're rock bass. Stripers, rock bass, something like that. I believe that's what they're called. 4 fish. Woohoo! Let me tell you how hard this is to fish, kayak, film, stay straight. Same time. Pretty incredible. Alright, well, I don't think he wants none no more. Another one. Woo! 5 fishies. Probably all the same tiny ones, but it's better than nothing. We'll take it. There's a spider that I've been watching run across the water for quite some ways now. I'm just waiting for him to get nailed right in front of my yak. I'm just hoping that he's happy that he didn't make it into my over to my yak. We'll see. Alright, I was working my way back to the shoreline towards like the car area. Parking lot, I should say. I ain't getting nothing. So, I'm gonna work my way back through this lily pad minefield. And I'm gonna go back to where I was catching fish. Try again. Get a couple more, man, boost the morale, and on the way back, I'm gonna throw plastics the whole time. See what happens. Why not give it a shot? That's the game plan. Can't seem to catch anything out in the middle towards the lily pads. Everything's just been casting at shore and dragging out that I've been even getting bites or anything. And that's just on worm. So yeah, gonna do that. Alright. So I guess the bigger the bait, the bigger the fish. Alright. Let's try this thing. Give her a couple tosses. Yeah. Looks pretty. Put it on and see what we can do, huh? I'm gonna make my way back along the shoreline. Just casting out plastics. See how much stuff I could snag. So I ain't got the greatest aim yet. Some are good, some are bad. Some are tangled, some are mad, some are happy inside. See what we can tangle. Or what the heck's going on here. See what we can get her to cast out, huh? It looks pretty floating on the water. Real pretty. I was expecting this thing to make some fancy movements. Doesn't make too much movements. Now I'm wedged in a tree, so we'll cast back this way. This one stays completely on top. I guess that's kind of cool. Back out of here though. Get out. Haven't caught a single fish off plastics. These are all the plastic I've used, those three and every bit of those. I've been staying on the outskirts of the water now. Or outside of the lily pads towards the main water. Still nothing. I think I'm gonna switch back to worm. Go in a little bit further. I got about an hour left to fish, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alrighty. Kind of in this cool little cubby action close to the shore here. Looks promising, but I tell you what, I'm getting eaten alive by these freaking flies. I don't know why. And there's probably found. There's another spider. I probably had about 40 or 50 of them crawling on me. I mean, they're small, I don't care. Floating on the breeze, but... And then there's little black things that are biting the crap out of me. Bah! Yeah, that's pretty neat. Just like that. But yeah. No luck, Chuck. Tinkering around, just gonna toss it out here and there. Trolley it in. Whatever that means. I think we're at our day's limit. Our little 5 stripers. I think that's what they were called, little striper rock bass, or maybe that's not even, maybe a striper is a totally different fish and then a rock bass is a totally different fish. Maybe. I don't know. Find out. Yeah, if you know, put that in the comments, huh? Alright. Until then, tinkering, floating, sinkering. Ow! Check it out, I got another one. It's the biggest one yet. He wrapped himself around this lily pad. Had to go and just pull the lily pad up, and he was just sitting there. Oh man, he really wrapped himself around this freaking thing. Break it. Curse word, sorry, fly. It's the biggest one yet. That's pretty cool. 6 of them. 6 fish. Woot woot. Hey, maybe a tiny hook, but it's doing the job. It's making it fun. That's all that matters, I guess. Yeehaw! I'm gonna cast out a few more times and head on back to the car. I got maybe 20 minutes or so before I gotta skedaddle. So let's do it. Let's do it. Last cast of the day. Last one. Well, the plastics were a bust. The worms I could trust. I don't know what else I could rhyme with that. So yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, besides I'm eaten alive. All these flies and these little black bugs. Hey, if 6 fish is better than nothing, I'll take that. It's pretty cool. Failed completely the first time. Said, hey, I might as well. Oh, just kidding, I cast twice. Last cast now. How about that one? Failed the first time at the other pond. Had some luck with some little guys and worm today. It's not too bad, I suppose. Never gonna learn if you don't try. I gotta find some good old farm ponds for these plastics, I think. But yeah. Anyway, it is time for me to get rolling. Here, fish everywhere. But it's time for me to get rolling. So, with that being said, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for putting up with my shenanigans. I'll get some camping in soon, hopefully. I should be back at it. I'm just trying to bring adventures here and there, whatever's going on. Anyway, make every day a great exploring Earth. We'll catch you guys on the next one. You have a great day, alright? Now get out there and do something with yourself. Go eat some dirt.